It's Wall Street, the nation's largest retailer, coming in a penny shy of estimates, lowering for the full year. The man to my left knows more about retail than any living human being. He's Howard Davidowitz, here to discuss. Let's address this first in terms of what Walmart did. Is the company getting weaker operationally?
No, Walmart is a terrific operator. They didn't suddenly become stupid.
And so how did they miss estimates? If we can't hang this on Walmart.
We've got, out of all the jobs generated so far this year, 75% of them are low-waged, part-time jobs. That puts us in a 14% unemployment rate. That's where we really are. 14% unemployment. We also have 11 million people on disability. Right. That's unemployment forever. That they didn't get disabled on the job. Right. You can't have 11 million people disabled. So the economy is in a state of collapse. That's what's going on.
And there might be a misconception. A lot of folks think that Walmart just appeals to that low end. And so it could be interpreted on the government numbers that that's just a class division, that the poor are getting poorer, the rich are getting richer, and Walmart appeals to the poor class, and this is a function of just them appealing to that customer base.
Well, Walmart has 150 million customers, and I mean Target has got 50 million customers, so and they're going to be negative too. So that I mean, Walmart is America with Target and everyone else and Macy's. Business is bad in America. Look at our GDP growth. Forget right. Walmart. Look at the GDP growth of the United States.
Right.
We're growing at 1.5%. That means we can't produce jobs. That's what's going on.
Are we growing at 1.5% though? Because these comp stores, comparable source sales, are what every Walmart does year over year. Just with a little inflation boost, you kind of get a 1% gain on your comp store sales. Walmart, for the second consecutive quarter, showed negative comp store sales. That means that fewer people are spending. The traffic is fine. Right. Folks are showing up there and they're not spending money. The question is, that GDP number is controversial. Are we negative? Does this mean perhaps that America's in a recession?
I think we're headed into one. I don't think we're in a recession right now, but I think there's a 50% chance we'll be in a recession next year. And the key point on that is that's after spending $7 trillion, printing trillions, and announcing we were brilliant to have done it, and we're in the tank. And by the way, our debt never goes away. This is something we're going to live with. It's up to 17 trillion and exploding. So we've spent all the money, we borrowed all the money, and we're in the tank.
We're in the tank, folks. I can't do better than that. He's Howard Davidowitz. Let us know what you think.